Setting child lock on your BIBO bar. Your BIBO bar dispenses boiling hot water and therefore poses a potential hazard, especially for children. Even though it has an inherent safety feature, we recommend that you enable the child lock setting as an additional safety precaution for children. This is how you can activate the child lock. Select the menu button on your BIBO bar screen and navigate to the child lock setting by pressing the red cup button 4 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the child lock settings. The on-off lock option will be available. Navigate to your preferred option using the red cup button. Touch the menu button to save the desired setting. To go back to the home screen, press the return button twice. It's important to note that once you've activated the child lock, you'll only be able to dispense boiling hot water by first touching the lock button and then holding the hot water button for 3 seconds. This also applies to the preset cup size for boiling water. Remember that children should always be supervised around the BIBO bar, because children are cute, but man, can they touch things. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.